Hey everyone. So in this video, we are going to take a look at the creating a modern template using Microsoft Syntex. So for this example, I have taken the rent agreement template. So as you can see in the rent agreement, we have some fields. So like there are some text fields, there are some number and date field as well. So we are going to reference this document to create a modern template using Microsoft Syntex. So for this, what we are going to do, we have to create one document library in our SharePoint. So as you can see, I have a document library called rent agreements. And in this document library, when you click on new, you can see the option create a modern template. If you don't see this option, then there might be a reason that Microsoft Syntex is not enabled for this site. So this has to be done through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So to create a modern template, you have to put this sample template file in some document library or on your local system as well. So once you click on create a modern template, it will ask for a upload the file. So I will click on the modern template. Okay. So once we select the template, so as you can see, this template has opened on the left side, and on the right side there are the fields loading. So in this section, what we are going to do, we are going to map the fields. So like set up the template. So when I click on the field, it will ask for a name. So I will going to put a name as, so let's say this is city and state. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the name as city name. And I'm going to select this one. So you have to select this complete. And as you can see the preview as well. So this information will appear here. So I will click on confirm. Then I will click on next. So it will ask like what type is this. So city and state is a single line text. I will put as a single line text. I will click on save here. So then we have the date, month and year. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to click on field and I'm going to put the name as the agreement date. And I'm going to click on next, and this is the date field. So I will select the date and time. So there are a lot of formats. So I will use the standard format as month, date and year. I'm going to click on save. Then the next thing is landlord's name. I'm going to select this field. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to put the name as landlord name. I will click on next, and this is the single line of text. Then here we have the complete address of the landlord. So I'm going to select this complete text. Going to click on fields, and here I will put the name as landlord address, and click on next. So this is a single line of text as well. So here we have the fields for tenant name. I will going to select this. I'm going to put the name as tenant name, and this as well a single line of text. So in the same way, we are going to map all the fields. So I'm going to quickly map all the fields. Okay, so I have mapped all the fields of this rent agreement. So as you can see, there are some single line of text, date, time, fields are there, and number as well. So after mapping all this field, you have to click on the publish, and it will ask for like whatever the fields you have mapped, it will create the columns in our SharePoint document library. So what I'm going to do, I want all the columns in my SharePoint document library, and I want to set the default view of the library. So the default view of library will be set, including all these columns we have created. So once you click on publish, it will take a minute or two to publish this template. So the template has been published and you have to click on done. So you have to refresh. So again, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on new. So as you can see that there are a lot of options before, but now there is only 2 options. So here we have created the rent agreement template. So instead of uploading the rent agreement document from users, then what I'm going to simply do, I'm just going to click on rent agreement template here. So it will open the form. So as you can see, this is the Word document. So what we have to do, we don't have to make changes in the document directly. We have the form like structure. As you can see on the right hand side, we have the form like structure. So here we have to enter the information. So let's say I'm going to fill this information quickly. So as you can see, I have filled all the details. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on create document, and it will ask for what the document name is. So I'm going to just put it as same, and here it will ask for whether it's a document or PDF. So you can select what format you want to use. I'll go with the document and I will go to create it. So it will create a document, and once the document is created, you can see the document here. So I'm going to click on it. So as you can see, the information that we have put in the form will appear here. So that is the information we have, that New York, then what is the rent agreement date, then the address. So all the information is appearing here, right? So in this way, we are going to create the templates. So the next thing is, if you want to edit this template, what you need to do, you just need to go back to the document library where the templates have been added. You have to click new, then you have to click on edit new menu. So once the panel opens, you have to click on the ellipsis here and then click on edit. So you can add or remove the fields from this template as per your need. So let's say if you want to add some more fields or you want to make changes in this document, you can directly do it here. So let's say I can also make modifications in the document directly from here. So let's say I will put field name, I will select this, I will create a field, and in this way you can add more fields as well. So once all the changes are done, you have to click on publish. So currently I'm not publishing, so I will choose the discard template here. So in this way, you can create a modern template using Microsoft Syntex. If you have any question or query, you can let me know in comments. Thank you.